Here I have ZTE Blade V10 Vita, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings. Next you have to enter system section, go to the date and time. Then if you want to change date and time manually, you have to disable this feature, automatic date and time, and here you can set your date, here you can set your time. You can also change your time zone by disabling this feature, automatic time zone. Firstly, you have to select your region, and then you can select your time zone. And you can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.